Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the AND formula. Pretty simple formula, almost I've never used it by itself. Occasionally it's used in other formulas. Pretty simple formula. Essentially what it's going to do is evaluate one or more tests and return a true or false value depending on if all of those tests are true or if uh, even one of those tests is false, it will return a false value. So for example, we will throw in a couple of lines here, and then we will calculate and. So we will say if C5 is greater than 3, and then our second test, we'll say if D5 equals product. Important thing to note is that, once again, if you are using text, throw those quotes around it, and that will help it recognize as text. You can see if you're just using a number, you can just throw that number in there. And with any mathematical formula you can use, you're just comparing one cell or one value to another and evaluating it that way. So you can see we can just keep going on and on and on and on. And I'm not sure what the limit is, but probably nothing that we'll ever get to. But then when we close this, it will evaluate each of those, and it will say, is C5 greater than 3? Yes, in this situation. And is D5 equal to product? Yes, in this situation. So where it's going to return a value of true. However, if we just make even one of these not true, it is going to return a value of false because all of these are not true. So you can see it's a pretty useful equation if you're trying to evaluate multiple things and want to do that the simplest way possible. It's often used in if-then statements. I've got another video on those. Feel free to check that out. And it's a lot easier than using a bunch of nested if statements where you can just throw in a bunch of evaluations right into this and then just return a true or a false value with that if-then statement. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Feel free to check out my other videos and see some other helpful tips and tricks on the common formulas. Thanks.